How to repost archived stories on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what you want to do is, first of all, click on the top right corner on these three lines and you want to go to your archive. And once you are here, you will probably first be brought to the post archive. But what you want to switch to is actually stories archive. And once you've done that, you can see all of your stories from the past or your memories. And if you would like to, for example, this one is from May 19th. If you would like to repost this archive story, what you basically want to do is click on the three dots, then click on reshare archives story. So now if I do that, you will see something like this, as you can see. Now, it could also be the case that your bottom half looks like this. And then what you want to do is simply click on share, and then it will, share it on your story again as well. Because then we can simply put it on our story, or we can simply remove this as well if we would like to. And then, for example, make it bigger like this. So now it looks like the exact same story, but from a while ago. But that is basically it. That's how to repost archive stories on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, let me know in the comments, but I'll see you next time.